Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you 5 important settings on your Android phone that you really need to turn off right now, because app developers could be listening to everything you say near your phone. They can also view your photos and videos using the cameras, and they collect data from your phone and send it to their servers. All of this surveillance by developers not only puts your personal data at risk, but it can also slow down your phone's performance. So watch this video until the end and turn these settings off right now. Let's disable the first setting that developers try to hide. The thing is, when you type something on your keyboard, all of it is tracked by developers, and they can see everything you type. So now we're going to turn this off together. To do this, simply go to the main settings menu on your phone and open up the section called Additional Settings. Once you are in here, proceed to the next step. Next, select Languages and then Input. And here, tap on Manage Keyboards. Tap on Gboard. And you'll now be taken into these settings. Now, what do we need to do? Go to the Privacy section and you'll see several settings here that you absolutely need to turn off. The first setting is Share Usage Statistics, which sends statistics about everything you type. So turn it off. The second setting is Personalize for You. It's supposedly there so that the developers can provide you with a more personalized experience. But in reality, they're tracking everything you type. So turn off this setting as well. And just below that, you'll see Improve for everyone. Also, make sure to turn off this setting because it actually spies on your keyboard and sends everything you type to the developers. Let's move on to the next setting. The second setting listens to everything you say when you are near your phone, so make sure to turn it off immediately. The developers hear everything you say, your secrets and interests. To turn it off, go to Settings on your device, then navigate to the section called Additional Settings. Go to Languages and Input again, but this time, instead of Manage Keyboards, go to the Text-to-Speech Output section. Enter here. Next to the Preferred Engine option, tap this check mark and you'll get into these settings. This will allow you to access the options for text-to-speech and make any changes you need. Now find the section called Anonymous Usage Reports. By default, this feature is enabled. The developers deliberately hid it so deep so that not everyone could find it. Tap on it and carefully turn off this particular setting because everything you say near your phone, even when it is powered off, is still being listened to. Now let's move on to the next important setting. To disable the next settings, we also need to go into the main settings. Here, the developers are already collecting all the data from your phone, photos, videos, messages, and absolutely everything. They collect this data and send it to their servers. To disable this, go to the section called Google. At the top, tap All Services. And here, first go to the Devices section. You'll see that by default, the Scan for Nearby Devices feature is enabled. That means your phone is always scanning for nearby devices. At the same time, it makes use of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and constantly tracks your location, as well as your unique digital fingerprint. So disable this setting to prevent your location from being sent to the developers. Go back and enter the section called Personalize using sharing data. Here you'll see several apps. I have 2, but you might have more. All these apps allow the company to use all your files from your phone, photos, videos, and so on. So no matter how many apps you have here, simply deny all of the apps access to personalization. Go back and now enter the Usage and Diagnostics section. This particular setting also allows developers to track everything, including all activities, from your phone. In other words, they're spying on your every move. So simply turn off this setting. Now you know which 5 settings you definitely need to disable to get rid of tracking. Subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends.